Hey guys, it's AMCuber. Today I'm going to show you this site. To use this site, all you have to do is so I'm going to be looking at the front face and I'll be reconstructing it on the cube. So let me follow where all the oranges are and looking at the top face. They seem to be there. And over here there's none. And here there's none. And here there's a lot. And here we've done it, and here it's there. Now the white pieces. Okay, there's one colour and there's only 9 more places it can go into. And there they are. Now if we click solve, and now it's just finding us a solution. Okay, here we go. You can either play the footage here and just follow the movements that it does. Maybe you can't keep up. So instead, you could follow what's down here. So let me just see what these moves are to solve my cube. It always starts from L2, D, B, U, D prime, F2, B prime, L prime, U prime, D prime, B2. R2, D2, L2, D prime, F2, R2. And your cube is solved if you follow those instructions.